Hey, it's time to add some users to Ply. We're going to head over to the Settings tab where we're going to access the User and User Management section. Ply doesn't charge per seat, so we encourage everyone to have their own account. The reason why this is beneficial to you is because when we're tracking material allocations to projects or jobs or making transfers from warehouses to trucks, it's really imperative that we're able to track who's doing what. So try to avoid having shared accounts like contact us or hi@yourbusiness.com, just so you can have and maintain a record of those transactions. Adding a user to Ply is very simple. When you click or invite user in the upper right-hand corner, it'll prompt you to put in an email address and select a role. The user will receive an automated email that will guide them through the onboarding process to be able to add their name and additional information to create the account. Ply currently has 4 different permission types. The first one is admin, that allows you to have access to anything throughout the application. Manager is someone like a warehouse manager, a foreman, or a back office manager that needs access to the entire application, but doesn't need access to things like integrations or billing information. Next, member allows you to access everything except for the ability to make decisions on RFQs and make bulk changes to the catalog and change pricing within the catalog and the location management. And finally, we have a technician permission that allows those who have this permission to have access to just the things that they're invited to or you've assigned them to. So for example, you can assign technician or technicians to a single truck or a warehouse, and they will have visibility into taking limited action like material allocation or the removal of items from those locations that you've assigned to them. At any moment, you can come and manage the user by clicking these 3 dots here to deactivate, or if you need to change the role, you can simply come in here and change the role as well. All right, keep going. You're doing great.